Imagine waking up one day, living the life you've always dreamed of, your dream job, your dream house, your loved ones smiling because of your success. Sounds amazing, right? But let me ask you, what are you doing today to make that dream a reality? If you're ready to turn someday into today, then stay with me, because this could be the moment your life changes forever. Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Tales, where learning English becomes an exciting journey. Today, you're not just watching a video, you're stepping into a world of possibilities. Listen closely, because this could be the moment that transforms your life forever. Let me ask you something. Are you truly happy with your life right now? If today were your last day, would you feel proud of what you've achieved? If your answer is no, then it's time to wake up. Your life won't change by accident, and it won't improve by luck. The future you dream of will only come when you decide to take control of your destiny. It's time to stop living with excuses. Have you been telling yourself things like, I'm too young, I'm too old, I don't have money, or I don't have time? These are just stories we tell ourselves to avoid responsibility. Do you know the real reason most people don't succeed? It's not bad luck, and it's not because they aren't smart enough. It's because they don't take action. They spend too much time focusing on their problems instead of working on solutions. Think about someone like Oprah Winfrey. She was born into poverty and faced incredible challenges. People doubted her, but she didn't let that stop her. She stayed focused, worked hard, and became one of the most inspiring figures in the world. Now, if she could rise above her challenges, what's stopping you? Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. You wake up in a beautiful home, the home of your dreams. You step outside, and there's a luxury car in your driveway. Your parents are smiling, proud, and stress-free because you've given them the life they deserve. They worked hard every single day to support you, and now you've made their dreams come true. Open your eyes. Does this vision feel out of reach? It's not. That life is achievable, but it takes one thing: your commitment to change. Your habits shape your future. Let's be honest. The way you spend your time is either building your success or holding you back. If you're spending hours scrolling through social media, watching endless Netflix episodes, or playing video games all day, you're wasting precious moments. Time is the most valuable resource you have, and once it's gone, you can't get it back. What sets successful people apart is how they use their time. Wise people use their time to learn, grow, and chase their dreams. They read books, develop new skills, and work hard to turn their goals into reality while others waste precious moments. Now, pause for a moment and think about your parents. Your mother carried you in her womb for 9 months. She sacrificed her comfort, sleep, and health to bring you into this world. Your father worked tirelessly day and night to provide for you, ensuring you had food on the table and a chance to get an education. Everything they did was for you. Now, it's your turn. What are you doing to make them proud? Don't you want to see them smile with joy? Imagine the day you hand your mother the keys to her dream house. Picture the tears in your father's eyes when you tell him he no longer needs to work because you've taken care of everything. This isn't just about money. It's about giving them peace, happiness, and the pride of knowing their child succeeded. Success requires effort and, yes, sacrifices. Let me be honest with you. Success isn't easy. It demands waking up early when you'd rather sleep in, working on your dreams while others are relaxing, and staying focused even when distractions surround you. There's a story about a young man who desperately wanted success. He approached a wise mentor and asked, "How can I achieve my dreams?" The mentor took him to the beach, walked into the water, and held the young man's head underwater. The man struggled to breathe and finally came up gasping for air. The mentor then said, "When you want success as badly as you want it to breathe, then you'll achieve it. Now, ask yourself, how badly do you want to succeed? Look at the people around you. Are they motivating you to grow, or are they holding you back? If your friends are unmotivated or negative, you might find yourself stuck in the same place. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and push you toward greatness. Sometimes, success means making tough choices, even if it involves cutting ties with toxic relationships. Remember, your future is more important than anyone's opinions. Here's the most crucial thing I'll share with you today. Believe in yourself. The world is full of doubters, critics, and naysayers who may try to bring you down. But their opinions don't define you. Believe in your potential. Believe that you are capable of achieving incredible things because, deep down, you are. Prove the doubters wrong and show the world what you're made of. Failure is not the end. It's the beginning. Every person you look up to has faced failure more times than you can count. Take Michael Jordan, for example, one of the greatest basketball players of all time. He was cut from his high school basketball team. Did he quit? No. He practiced harder, stayed focused, and became a legend. Failure is not a sign to stop. It's a lesson. It's a stepping stone that teaches you what doesn't work so you can find what does. Embrace it, learn from it, and keep moving forward. But while you're chasing your dreams, don't forget to pause and reflect. The world is noisy. Social media, deadlines, responsibilities, they're all pulling you in different directions. When was the last time you sat in silence and asked yourself, what do I really want? Take a few minutes every day for yourself. Sit quietly, meditate, reflect, or just breathe. This isn't wasting time. It's recharging your mind. And during this quiet moment, speak to yourself. Yes, you heard that right. Tell yourself, I am amazing. I am worth it. I can achieve great things. Your mind is like a garden. Whatever you plant will grow. If you plant doubt, fear, and negativity, that's what you'll harvest. But if you plant confidence, positivity, and belief, you'll grow a life full of possibilities. Say it with me. I am the best. I am unstoppable. I can achieve anything I set my mind to. Write these affirmations down and repeat them daily. It might feel strange at first, but over time, your mind will start to believe it because your thoughts shape your reality. Now, close your eyes and picture your dream life. Imagine yourself in your dream job, earning the income you've always wanted. See yourself walking into your own home, built with your hard work. Feel the joy of traveling the world with the person you love. Open your eyes and remember this. Every great achievement starts in the mind. If you can visualize it, you can achieve it. But visualization alone isn't enough. You need to act. Take control of your mind, or it will control you. How often do negative thoughts creep in, telling you, I'm not good enough, or I'll never succeed? The next time this happens, stop and say, no, I'm in charge of my thoughts. I choose positivity. Your mind is like a muscle. The more you train it to focus on positivity and solutions, the stronger it gets. And let me tell you something you might need to hear right now. You are incredible. You already have everything you need to succeed inside you. The only thing missing is your belief in yourself. Do you want a great job? You can have it. Do you want to marry the love of your life? You can. Do you dream of building your own home, traveling the world, and living your best life? Yes, you can do all of that. The only person standing in your way is you. So step aside, believe in yourself, and start moving forward. Start small but dream big. Big dreams can feel overwhelming, but here's a secret. Success comes one small step at a time. Want to get fit? Start with 10 minutes of exercise a day. Want to improve your English? Learn 5 new words a day. Want to save money? Begin with just $10 a week. These little actions may seem small, but over time, they build up to big results. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Be your own biggest cheerleader. Stop waiting for others to motivate you. Stop expecting others to believe in you more than you believe in yourself. Stand in front of a mirror, look at yourself and say, I am proud of me. I am working hard, and I'm improving every single day. I can do this. You don't need anyone's approval to follow your dreams. Be your own greatest supporter. Surround yourself with inspiration. Listen to motivational speakers, read uplifting books, and learn from those who've already achieved what you aspire to accomplish. The more positivity you embrace, the more you'll grow. Think about Thomas Edison. He didn't fail over 1,000 times when creating the light bulb. As he said, "I didn't fail 1,000 times. The light bulb was an invention with 1,000 steps." Let that sink in. Every step, even the missteps, are part of your journey to success. Ask yourself each night, what did I do today to move closer to my goals? What can I improve tomorrow? And then take action. Consistency is the bridge between dreams and reality. As you push forward, don't forget gratitude. Gratitude transforms your mindset. It reminds you of how far you've come and gives you the energy to keep going. Each morning, write down 3 things you're thankful for: your family, your health, or even just the chance to try again today. Gratitude fuels your journey. Now, it's time to go all in. This is your turning point, the moment everything changes. Hear these words and let them ignite a fire within you. Stop settling for average. Why accept mediocrity when you're capable of greatness? Average effort brings average results. Every day, you have a choice: settle for less or demand more from yourself. Choose to rise above. Dream big and dream unapologetically. Want the best car, the best house, the best life? Go after it. People may laugh at your ambitions now, but they'll applaud later when you prove them wrong. If you want something extraordinary, you must make sacrifices. Ask yourself, how much time do I waste on things that don't add value to my life? Replace gossip and distractions with habits that elevate you. Read books that expand your knowledge. Master your skills until you're unmatched. Spend your time learning, growing, and evolving. Your life reflects your daily decisions. From the moment you wake up, you're shaping who you become. Are your choices bringing you closer to your dreams, or are they holding you back? Promise yourself this. Choose growth over comfort, discipline over laziness, and courage over fear. Think you're giving your best? Think again. You're capable of so much more. Whenever you feel like giving up, remind yourself, yes, I can. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. If your dreams don't scare you, they're not big enough. Take risks. Try new things. Dare to fail. Even in failure, you're ahead of those who never tried. And remember, if you're the smartest or most driven person in your circle, it's time to find a new group. Surround yourself with people who challenge and inspire you, people who push you to be better. The clock is ticking. Time waits for no one. Stop living as if you have forever. Picture yourself on your deathbed. Will you regret the chances you didn't take? Start living like your time matters, because it does. You're not too young, and you're not too old. There is no perfect time to start. The perfect time is now. The successful people you admire aren't just lucky. They worked for it, sacrificed for it, and earned it. And so can you. Ask yourself, why not me? Why can't you achieve greatness? Why can't you build your dream life? Why can't you inspire millions? The only thing holding you back is doubt. So, stop doubting yourself and start taking action. If others can do it, so can you. Let me tell you something that most people fail to realize. You are not defined by your past. It doesn't matter where you come from, how much money you have, or the mistakes you've made. Your potential is limitless. Each day is a new opportunity to rewrite your story. You don't have to stay stuck in who you were yesterday. You can be stronger, smarter, and better. All it takes is a decision to grow. Stop blaming others for your circumstances, your boss, your parents, or your surroundings. None of them control your destiny. You do. Take full responsibility for where you are today and commit to owning your future. No excuses. No complaints. Just action. Let your success speak for itself. While others waste time talking, you're busy working. Keep your head down, stay focused, and let your results do the talking. Remember, a lion doesn't turn around when small dogs bark. Every small victory matters. Did you wake up early today? Celebrate. Did you check off a task from your to-do list? Celebrate. Success isn't built overnight. It's built on these small wins that stack up over time. Acknowledge each step forward and keep moving. Here's a challenge for you. Make this personal. Don't just hear these words and move on. Take a moment to reflect. Write down what you're going to do differently starting today. What habits will you change? What goals will you chase? You have one life, one shot. Don't waste it. Dream big, work hard, and never settle for anything less than extraordinary. The world is waiting for you to rise, to shine, and to inspire others with your story. The life you've always wanted is within reach, but you have to take that first step. Stop making excuses. Stop waiting for the perfect moment, because it doesn't exist. The perfect time to start is now. The journey won't be easy, but I promise you this, it will be worth it. Believe in yourself, because I believe in you. You are capable, you are resilient, and you are unstoppable. So, if you're ready to take control of your life, make today the day you start. Like this video, share it with someone who needs motivation, and subscribe to our channel for more content that helps you grow. Together, we can turn dreams into reality. Now go out there and make it happen. Your future is waiting.